Welcome to our Selmo Academy tutorial video series. In this video we explain the structure of the Project Explorer in Selmo Studio. This is made up of different levels. The top level is called the plant and represents the overall system. The plant always contains at least one sublevel, the hardware zone, which can comprise one or more sequences. A sequence is always assigned to only one hardware zone, as a subsystem that defines a logical process description. It is made up of a step chain, the definition of states by zones, the interlocks in manual mode, and constantly monitored zones. Plant. In industry, the term plant usually refers to a facility or equipment used to manufacture or process products or raw materials. It often includes several units that operate in a specific sequence to produce the desired product or process the raw material. Hardware zone. A hardware zone is a specific area of a machine or cell that has separate automatic and manual controls. Each hardware zone has its own specific overview. The size of a hardware zone depends on the configuration of the machine or cell and can contain and control one or more step sequences. Sequence. A sequence describes the logical flow of a machine step chain. It consists of the logic, system, and assembly layer. There the sequences of the step chain are defined and driver models are added. A sequence control can be used to automate or synchronize complex processes. The elements of plant, hardware zone, and sequence. Each level of a Selmo project has certain properties and functions that apply in the effective area. The system structure is always the same. In the next videos, the sequence level will be explained.